Good day everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'd like to share you how to create the storybook for kids, and we will use the AI. How to do that and what platform we will use. So stay tuned and let's get into the tutorial. Well, here I'm using the Gemini AI, and here I also open it from my laptop or my PC. But if you would like to create this storybook from your mobile or the smartphone, well, it is okay, but I recommend you to keep opening it or keep accessing it from the Google Chrome or the web, because I couldn't find any menu to create the specific storybook. But here when I open it from the PC or from the website, I can find the specific menu to create it. So the first step I will do, of course, you do the sign up or log in first with your Google email, and after that you will see this homepage of this Gemini AI. And don't worry, because this storybook can be also made into the version of Flash. You don't need to upgrade it into the Pro. And after that you will navigate your cursor into this expand menu or these three stripes, and after that you will see the explore gem. Well, as you can see here, you find the storybook, but if it not appear into your menu, then it is okay. You can just click this explore gems, and after that this section will give you several options to create something. For example, you can start to create the storybook, chess jam, brainstormer, and also career guide, coding partner, learning coach, and also the writing editor. And since we would like to create the storybook, then we can click here, storybook, and it will direct you into this section. Well, these are the four, for example, the prototype or the recommendation from the Gemini. But if you would like to create your own title about the storybook, then you can just simply click here. And for example, I would love to create the story of the funny story about the orange and strawberry. Create me a funny story about the orange and strawberry. This story is for years old kids, and enter. Then this Gemini will try to help you to generate the storybook, and it will usually take from 1 minute until 2 minutes, because it depends on the traffic and also the complexity of your story or this prompt over here. And while waiting for, you can also simply open or explore another menu. And since this story is about the strawberry and orange, and you can while waiting for it, and don't worry, because I have also prepared it for you about the story, but in another title. But surprisingly, this story has already step by step being generated. And as you can see, this is the cover that represent about the story itself. And if you would like to open the next story or the next page of this storybook, then you can just click here and here. And as you can see that this storybook contains 10 pages. And you can also click full screen to create it full screen. And if you would like to share this storybook into your, let's say, into your family or into your kids or nephew, and you can go to this share storybook, and you can also share the link that you can copy from here. And also you can share this storybook into your LinkedIn, Facebook, X, or it was the new name of the Twitter and this Reddit. And if you would like to print it, then you can go to click this print button. So that's all guys, I hope this video finds you helpful, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it on a comment down below because we would love to share comments there. And also if you find this video helpful for you, don't forget to give the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to see and watch another tutorial videos. I'll see you in another video and thank you for watching. Bye guys.